What's up everybody, my name is Mukiri Caroline. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by my channel once more, or should I say again. So being my very first video in 2022 guys, happy new year, and I wanna wish you a very prosperous 2022 guys. So today I'm gonna talk about 3 psychological tricks of persuading anyone. So on to my very first point is anchoring. So what is anchoring? Anchoring is the tendency of relying on the very first piece of information. So an anchor is the first piece of information. So an example being is you want to buy a land and you want to buy it at a very low price, though this land is expensive. So what do? You go to the land dealer. So when you first speak with the land dealer, you immediately give a very low asking price. So this low proposition anchors the negotiation to that value that you want to buy the land with. So guys, that being my first point, we go to my second point, is creating urgency. So how do you create urgency? First of all, what is urgency? Urgency is the idea that something won't last for long in the market. So, or you can say urgency is the idea that something will be available in the market for a very limited period of time. So an example being is you are selling tickets for a concert, let's say. So you want these tickets to be bought at a very high speed. So you create the urgency. You tell people these tickets are going at a very high speed, and there are only a few tickets remaining. So come get one before you miss out on this big opportunity. So people will want to buy the tickets immediately because they do not want to miss on the big opportunity that you are offering them. So yeah, that's the second point. On to my third point, and that is speaking in a very simple language. So many people want to speak in a complicated way. In business, things are very different. Speaking in a complicated way does not make you seem learned, does not make you look or sound smart and persuading. And speaking in a simple language makes it simple and clear to any type of person that is getting your message. So textbooks are only meant for academic references. They are not meant to persuade people with complicated languages, so or big words. So yeah, speaking in a simple language, you have to be as clear as possible to be understood by the old, the adult, and the young people, the youth. So when it comes to business, you need to understand these 3 things. When it comes to business, clarity, speed, and efficiency are very important, or should I say they are everything in business. So yeah, speaking a simple language, and speaking in a simple language should be your go-to strategy to persuade anyone. So that's it for today guys. Those are the 3 psychological tricks of persuading anyone. Happy new year everyone, and see you in my very next video.